Nowadays, it's almost impossible to find crystalline rivers like this one. Come and have a delicious picnic by the Guatapé River. You will be able to relax, listen to the sound of nature, and enjoy the refreshing waters. This is a magical place to meditate and connect to nature. It is surrounded by a sandy beach and a big wall of rocks with vegetation, full of birds, monkeys, and butterflies. Find it in guatapecolombia.com. Here you can get everything you need while visiting Guatapé, and you can safely book and pay online. Subscribe to our channel and watch our next videos.